there, my beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. This is Blessed Dance by Kyla, where it's all about lifestyle and good vibes, skincare, hair care, decor, life, me, you, love, life stories, and all that. So, yeah, welcome back. For those who are new, welcome. Kindly click the subscribe button down below and also click on the notification bell so that you are notified once I upload other videos. So, yeah, welcome. I'm so excited about this video because finally I can stop promising. Yeah, so I'm not going to waste any more time. Let's just get straight into it. Meanwhile, keep subscribing. Let's see how it is. So this is it, guys. Let's begin from the door. As you can see where the door is, then on the right side there is my window. My curtains are, those are my curtains. They're themed black, white and gray, and they have some form of decoration. Then I chose a white sheer. As you can see, if I'm sitting in the house, I can see a view of the trees that are outside and it's just serene. Then on the right side of the door, left side, okay, yeah, there is the wall. I had my walls painted white because at least to bring some brightness into the house. Yes, as you can see from the curtains, we have wooden curtain rods here in Coast, and they work perfectly well, just same as the metallic ones. Then my curtains go all the way down, from up all the way down, and I like it like that when they are lying there on the floor. So on this other side is the other window. Yes, the curtains are the same as the others. The shears are white. They go from all the way up there to down there. Then below there is my gray couch, and I have two throw pillows, a white one and a pink one, just to brighten up from the dark colors, to brighten up the whole scene. Then so that's that side. So let's see this. So that's the door. Then next to it will be the wall that has the wallpaper, and it's still gray, white and black. Then on the other end is another type of wallpaper that still matches the whole thing. And it goes all the way up. Then down there now is where we have my TV. Okay, so down there is where we have my TV, and it's my car TV stand. If you remember it from the previous house tour, it was much taller, so I kind of made it shorter by removing those poles that I've used as house decor. As you can see on both sides of the TV, then there is a pink, yellow and white piece of decor on top of those poles. Then on the TV there is the white vase. The white vase has a money plant. Then next to it is another piece of decor. That, guys, is a piece of broken clear glass that I used to create some piece of decor. I added pink, yellow and white, and you can see it looks good. Then on the right side of the TV is my woofer. Yes, then on top of it is a speaker and another piece of decor that is actually my water bottle that I just converted to that, and it looks good. So on this other side we have a snake plant, a green snake plant there in a white vase again. Then at the farthest end is a dustbin and another pole, piece of decor. Yeah, so that is basically it. So from the TV, next to it will be my table. That's my glass table, and we have some two table mats, white table mats. Then my couch, which I had already shown you. So that's basically how the living room area. So after the wall with the wallpaper, then that's my bedroom door. Down there is a mat, a red mat, and my dustbin. Then that wall is also a wall that I like. So the first frame will say, "Be your own kind of beautiful." Next to it is "Try again, this time with God." There is always a reason to smile. Then "Rise, shine." Then the purple one that you can see clearly says "A beauty after God's heart." So I love it. Below those frames are decor that I actually made myself. So you can see the black round circles. Then you have three poles. They're actually gold and they gold in color, and they have some bit of shine. You can see that. Then there's also another pole and the yellow fluffy substance on top. I think they came out well, and I like that part. Then below there is another snake plant that has some patches of gold in a green vase. Then next to it is a lily in a black vase. Okay, so that will be that. Then at the other corner is my kitchen area. As you can see, my utensils, you can see some tomatoes down there and gas. So that is my kitchen area. Then that's my couch. So we've basically seen the whole of the sitting room area. So let me give you a preview of the whole. Area, so let's head straight to the bedroom. So guys, we're in the bedroom. That's my bedroom door. Then on the left, that will be my bed. Up there I decided to do some yellow to brighten up, you know. Then that's my bed. As you can see, those are my sheets. Okay, actually guys, I don't even know why I bought this stuff, because clearly those colors don't even match my theme, but that sheet, that cover was beautiful, so I went for it. And there is the pillow, a matching pillow, and it's just up there is my net. It's pink in color. That's my net. Yeah, so yeah, I tied it up because it's daytime. Yes, then next to it will be my window, and that's my curtain. It's green color. It starts from up there again, yeah, all the way down. And I saw that it was so dark, so I decided to add some pieces of bright, like the white and the pink, and it looks perfect, okay, in my opinion. We have my wardrobe, and that's how it looks like. Wow, it's organized. Yeah, it is. So that's my portable wardrobe. It's green color, and that will be my bed. Then next to it is the washroom door. Up there are my handbags. Then next to it is my washroom door. On this other side of the door is my shoe rack, and this shoe rack, I basically use it for everything. Down there are my shoes. Then up here I put all my skincare products, hair care products, body care, everything, anything. That's what is up there. Then I also have a mirror there. So that's basically it. Down here is okay, my bedroom has no tiles, so I had to do a PVC, and that's what I chose. Okay, actually I had no choice. Those were the few options that were available, so I decided to go for that one. So this is basically how my bedroom will look like. So yeah, so that is it. Let's head to the washroom. So this, guys, will be my washroom. That's the door. From the door on your left is the toilet. It's the toilet seat, and we have my Harpic, my tissue, and we have my mopper down there. So that's my toilet. Then I have some water containers, because water in Malindi is something else. So yeah, that is it. Then up there, the toilet window. Yes, we have the air freshener, jig, doom, toothbrush, soap dishes, brushes for washing. So yeah. The other side now is the sink where I brush my teeth, wash my face and all that. And I have like a small mirror there. And this other side will now be my bathing net. Up there is my overhead shower, and down here is the tub. That's basically my washroom. Nothing much about it. Yay. Nothing much about this part. So that is basically it, friends.